If you've ever needed to quickly rename files inside a folder on a Mac, this is how you do it. My name is Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com, and this is how you can quickly rename some files inside a folder on a Mac. Right now I have a file open and it has these photos in here, but the numbers are very generic and I want to change those titles. So all I need to do is drag my cursor to highlight the files whose names I want to change and go up here to the top where it has this little circle with the 3 dots, and I'm just going to click on that and I'm going to go down here to rename. So I'm going to click that and it brings up this little menu. Now I've already tried this out before just to make sure that I can show it to you quickly. So I put in the title, it brings up what I had before, which is St. Patrick's Day Table Runner. And at the end, you'll notice here that I have included a little dash, and that's important because I want to have a dash before the sequential number that it assigns. So I have a dash at the end of my title, and then I'm going to put start numbers at 1, and they're going to show up after the name, and you have a choice to have it before the name or after the name. So all I have to do is click rename, and there we go. We have St. Patrick's Day Table Runner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this, just to be clear also, that I'm running a Mac using the Big Sur operating system. So if you haven't updated your OS on your Mac, your Finder window may appear a little different, but you should be able to see that feature in the latest operating systems. In earlier operating systems, I believe that that feature was not available. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. My name is Nina Nandagopal, and you can find me at almostpractical.com, where I blog about organizing, productivity, and things to help make your life a little easier, get things done a little quicker so you can have more time to do the things that you like to do. Thank you so much for joining me today.